So I've actually found a business model that prints money. Now you're probably asking, what is this business that you're doing and how are you making money and how does this business actually print money? Well, I'm going to answer everything in this video, so make sure you watch the video to the very end, and I'm literally going to break it down for you, give you the full blueprint on how you yourself can follow this business model and make some money yourself. Now, quick little background if you discovered this channel for the first time. My name's Alim. I left the UK 9 months ago to live here in Dubai. I quit my job, I had no savings, and I literally just moved. Now fast forward 9 months later, I have my own online business, and in my first month of that online business, I scaled to 10K a month. Now this is the same business that you guys can do, which I'm going to talk about today, which literally anyone can do and make some serious money. Now, before I reveal exactly what the business is and how you can do it and how you can make some money from it, I just want to first talk about what you need to do first before you start this online business and before you actually decide you're going to delve into this. There's a few things you kind of need to do. Number one, you need to fix your mindset, right? Now, a lot of people that are probably watching this are either 9-to-5 workers, or you might be doing a business or maybe a physical business. You might actually be doing an online business as well. But whatever the case is, if you're not where you want to be in life right now, well, that is because of your mindset. You can't do anything in life with no belief that you're going to achieve it and expect to achieve it. Basically, it's not going to happen, right? If you do things with like low energy, no driven force, and you just do things like with no belief, right? Well, you're going to act as if you don't believe, which means you're not going to achieve. So with whatever you're doing in life, wherever you want to be in life, you've got to understand, firstly, you've got to work hard. There's so many people that I know that are working a 9-to-5 job and and they say that they're working hard, they're working hard in their 9-to-5 job. I would completely disagree. I would say, in fact, you're more lazy because you're not trying to think outside the box, right? You're just working a 9-to-5, and we all know you're not going to get rich off the 9-to-5 job. You might get a promotion, you might get a better paying job, but realistically, let's be real. You're not going to make like 30, 40, 50, 100, 200K, a million. You know what I'm trying to say? You're not going to make that kind of money in a month with a 9-to-5 job, usually, anyway. So firstly, you need to get in that mindset that you need to think for yourself. The problem is, right, I blame the education system, and I blame schools, and I blame everything else, right? But at the same time, you've got to take accountability that, we've been programmed to think in a certain way. We've been programmed to think like a 9-to-5 slave. And honestly, that's one of the things you've kind of got to get out of. And that's something that I've realized, doing business, making money online, or making money doing things the unconventional way. You firstly need to have that mindset. You firstly need to think a different way, because a lot of you guys that are working a 9-to-5, you think in a certain way, and you might not believe it. But trust me, once you shift your thinking, you'll understand that things are happening. You're starting to make more money. You're starting to make money outside the matrix, that kind of stuff, right? So it is to do with your thinking, because there's a famous quote, I can't remember exactly who it's by, but you are in life because of your thoughts, right? Whatever you think is where you are currently. I used to visualize Dubai a lot. As you can see, this is my views currently from the balcony. I used to visualize Dubai a lot, right? And I'm here now. Like, I literally made it happen. And the only reason I made it happen was I had a clear destination, I had a clear goal, and I took risks in life, and I worked towards it. And that's why I am where I am today. Obviously, my goals are much bigger. My goals are very, very big, and it's going to take a little bit longer to manifest those type of goals. But for me, the main goal, the main achievement for me was to get to Dubai, stay here, and live here. And I've done that so far. So that's one goal ticked. I've got several other goals I want to hit. But yeah, firstly, mindset, you've got to have that on point. Secondly, you need to be willing to invest in yourself. If you're not willing to invest in yourself, then you're not going to learn stuff. You're not going to get knowledge from people that are doing what you want to do, which means that it's going to take you so much longer to get to where you want to be. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible for you to do things by yourself completely and get to 10K a month, 20K a month, 100K a month, right? Everyone starts somewhere. Everyone starts by doing it by themselves. But my point here is, do you have 2 years to waste? Do you have 3 years to waste? Do you have 4, 5 years to waste? Because this is how long it can take in business. In business, things don't just happen overnight. It takes time. So don't ask yourself, can I afford mentorship? Don't ask yourself, can I afford to invest in myself? Ask yourself, can you afford not to? Because the thing is, if you don't invest in yourself, you're just going to waste more time. And that's just a fact, right? Because you're going to be trying stuff that doesn't work. You're going to be trying stuff that might not actually be the correct way. But you'll only know that once you try it and fail. Whereas if you learn from someone that's achieved something, well, they're going to tell you, don't do it this way because I did it and I failed at it and this is not a good way. I tried this and this made me money straight away. Does that make sense? So you're going to fast track your way. So you need to be willing to invest in yourself. That's number 2. And number 3, right? You've got to take risks. There's so many people that are so comfortable in their 9 to 5 job or comfortable in their life, and they don't take risks, right? Now, I'm not saying take a huge risk like I did. I took a big risk, and that's because I wanted the life that I wanted, and I really didn't care what happened, right? Now, I'm not saying here, just quit your 9 to 5 and start an online business. I'm not saying that. My point here is take risks in the sense that have some savings, have some money there, but quit your 9 to 5 job and then start making money online. Or if you don't have savings, work your 9 to 5 job and start an online business on the side, which is what I did. I started working on my online business way before I came to Dubai. And it was only once I started making a little bit of money online that I decided, you know what, I'm going to quit my 9 to 5 job and just move to Dubai. Again, I didn't have any savings. I just had a little bit of online income, which kept me going for a bit, which I managed to scale once I came to Dubai. So these 3 things are very important. And once you have these 3 things, you're then ready to start an online business. Now, what online business should you start? Because there's drop shipping, there's affiliate marketing, there's so many businesses out there, which I've tried everything, right? I've tried drop shipping, I've tried affiliate marketing, I've tried sponsorships on YouTube, just surviving off that. But honestly, guys, like it's not the best way, right? What you need to do and what you should be doing if you're looking to start an online business is to start an online coaching program, which is what I'm doing. Now, an online coaching program is basically you teaching a skill to someone else. For example, my coaching offer is that I will help you scale to 10K a month within 90 days of joining my program. And literally, I help complete beginners go from literally 0 to 10K a month within 90 days, which I've done with a lot of my clients. You'll see some results in front of your screen right now. I helped all these people, 90% of them were beginners, and I help them make money online, right? So I've got a proven system that works. I've got a proven system that all of my clients have used and it works for them as well. So literally, I can help anyone, right? So that's my coaching offer. That's what I do. But you don't have to be limited to making money online. There's so many people doing so many different things. There's actually a woman here teaching people how to knit. She's making about 18K a month, right? There's actually another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. I think they're making around 80K a month. You got another person teaching people how to get a 6-pack. They're making 160K a month. So it doesn't matter what your skill is, right? If someone's making money through knitting, that shows you already that anyone could do this. So find a skill that you have. If not, learn a skill, build a personal brand and monetize it. If you don't want to be in front of a camera, which a lot of my clients are reluctant to be in front of a camera, which I would highly recommend doing, right? You should be in front of a camera. You should be building your personal brand. It's one of the most important things to do in 2025, in my opinion. But I know a lot of people that don't want to do that, which is fine in the sense that you still can make money doing this. It's just a little bit more harder. It's a little bit different route you've got to take. But you can do it, right? You can do it. So that's essentially my business. That's essentially the business that's going to print you money, which is selling your services to high ticket clients. That's essentially the business. That's what's going to make you some crazy money. Like I'll give you an example with the person that made 80K a month. They're charging 8K a month to use their program. They just need 1 client to make 8K a month. 2 clients will make them 16K a month. They've got 10 clients, so they're making 80K a month, right? So that just shows the possibilities, the scope. Because it's easier to get 1 person paying you 8K a month than it is to get 10 people paying you $800 a month. So high ticket services are the best way to go. It's the fastest way to make money online. And honestly, if you do it correctly, you can make a ton of money. And if you run paid ads as well and build your personal brand and do some outreach, you'll be literally printing money. And I mean this with utmost respect. You will be printing money. Because if you find an ad set that works, if your YouTube channel starts blowing up and your outreach methods work, you're literally printing money. After that, it's just a system that you need to build, which can sort of save you time, which means that you detach time from money and you start scaling and you can start making more money. Now guys, if this is something you want to do, you don't know how to make money online, you've not done it before, and you're a complete beginner, and if you want to make money online and you need full help with this, well, you can either DM me on Instagram or you can click the link in the description and book a call with me. What we'll do, we'll jump on the call, we'll see if I can do anything to help you, and if you're a good fit, you can join my program. Yeah guys, that's the video there today. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys for another video.